first way we get paid and the foundation of the business is to bring value to the people we know, love, and care about by helping them save money as an Ambit customer. You'll receive a $100 bonus for your first 5 customers. 2 of these customers are represented by computers because Ambit gives us a head start by subscribing to their web-based marketing tools for $25 a month. We'll talk more about this in a bit. Upgrading your own utility service also counts as a customer, and so we only need 2 more customers to receive our first $100 bonus. 5 more customers and you'll receive an additional $100. Another 5 pays an additional $50, and 5 more beyond that for a total of 20 customers pays a combined $300 in upfront bonuses. Keep in mind, these customers you're earning upfront bonuses on also qualify you for our free energy program.
But this is just like you earning a few $100s and getting free energy by helping people save money. It's the foundation of what we do. But to make the big money, we need to expand our distribution, which means helping others do the exact same thing, and Ambit provides plenty of incentives.